Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to add and remove cameras from an associated system. So as you can see, we're live in the dev room. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a camera via the subnet scan first, and then we'll turn on auto discovery and find the camera that way. So you can add a camera one of a couple different ways. You can right click on the associated server, go add device, or you can come up here to the system. You could add a device here. So as you can see, if you know the exact address or you know the subnet, you can do that there. I'll teach you how to do the subnet just because it's something that we should know. So 192.168.150.0. You're going to need the associated logins as well. So you'll type those in there. And it searches. As you can see, it did find the associated device. You click it, click add device, and now the camera is being added to the associated system. Once it's finished added, you will see it being added up here. You close out of this. It does take a few seconds for the stream to show up, but as you can see, here is the live camera. From there, if you wanted to, you would then label it whatever you would label it. In this case, we did call this the Hikvision bullet camera. As you can see, currently this camera is not recording. So to enable recording, we'll right click, go down to camera settings, go over to recording, enable recording, select what type of recording you'd like, and then drag through the associated frames that you'd love to have recorded. Click OK, and it is now recording, as you can see. To find a camera automatically, you go to System Administration, you enable cameras and servers, click Apply. Now, when we delete the camera, it should go ahead and find it once we log out and log back in. So I will remove myself from this, log out of this associated system, log back in, and as you can see, the camera does show up here. It just needs credentials. So what you'll do is you'll go over and you'll enter the associated credentials. To enter the credentials, you'll go camera settings and edit credentials. It does throw in the associated default password. So you'll enter whatever password is associated to that camera. Click OK. And the camera will then come up. As you can see. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel, or you can visit us here at pikovms.com for more documentation and downloads.